Hi, this is Miss Gina and it's time for art in my refrigerator. What? You're telling me I have art in my refrigerator? Absolutely you do. How many of you have thought about painting and what would you use to paint with? Probably a paintbrush, right? Did you know that you can have so much fun painting with vegetables and other things that you might find in your refrigerator or in your kitchen? Let's have some fun exploring together. So what do I have here? Celery, right? Well, look at the end of my celery. If I dip the end of my celery into some paint and put it onto a piece of paper or onto a plate, my shape becomes, I don't know if you can see that, like a happy face. What if I take the leaves and I paint with the leaves? It looks more like a paintbrush, right? Well, you can do this with any number of fun vegetables. One of my personal favorites is broccoli. And that's because the base of the broccoli, not only can you make just the shape of the base, but you can cut it and make it into a square or a triangle. Circle's kind of hard, but you could try that too. And then when you take the top of the broccoli and you cover that with paint, you get this wonderful, it almost looks like fireworks. So look in your refrigerator and see what kind of fun things you can find. And don't forget things that maybe aren't in your refrigerator, but might be on your kitchen counter. How about painting with a cracker? I can paint with a cracker, and so can you. All right, that's Miss Gina for art in the refrigerator. I hope you have a great time, and we'll see you next time for art in a different place. Bye.